lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to all. Today's class is going to be focusing on yoga for our feet and our Achilles tendons. There's quite a few runners out there that have requested this class. The only prop I'll be using is a block, using that as a step later on in the class. Right, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off seated in this class, so pop yourselves down on the floor or your mat. Take hold of the fleshy part of your bottom and pull it back so you're sitting on your sitting bones. So we're just going to start off by warming our feet up. Yet again, great stretches for those feet and those Achilles tendons. And we're simply just going to move our feet forward, pointing those toes forward. And we're staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to turn the feet the other way. So really squeeze into those heels. Try and flex those toes back towards you. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going the other way again. So really point into those toes for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last of these, we're just going to flex into those heels, toes back, spread those toes out if you can, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release those feet, and we're just gently going to move those feet from side to side. Well done. Okay, from here, we're going to come up onto our knees. So hands to the floor, we're just placing those hands underneath where our shoulders are. Knees are a nice 90-degree angle. So we're just going to take our right foot back and we're squeezing that right heel back. So you should really be feeling that in your Achilles here. It's warming that leg up. Big stretch out the back of the leg. Should feel it in the hamstring as well. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop the right leg back. We're taking the left foot back now, so tuck those toes under and then really push that heel away from you. So yet again, very deep stretch for the Achilles. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees back. Now here, we're simply tucking those toes under. Now all I want you to do here is lean your bottom back on the heels. So you're pushing the weight onto those toes. It's stretching those toes out. If that's too much for you, you can bring your hands to the floor in front of you and take a bit of the weight off. If you can, you're just staying there. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring your weight forward and simply rest those feet back on the mat. Okay, from here we're coming up to standing. So no props required for this one. However, I would suggest using a wall to lean against. So you're going to place your hands against the wall. You're going to take your left foot slightly back and your right foot forward. Now you're bending your right knee here. Now what I want you to do, you're really squashing your weight into that back left heel. So really pushing this leg back and staying there. Lean your body weight forward a little bit if you can. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. We're swapping those feet over. So bring your left foot forward and your right foot back. Yet again, we're bending that left knee in front, bring our body weight forward and then really squeezing that right foot back into the mat. Should feel it working up the back of the leg. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, and up we come. So we're just going to start off, lovely for strengthening those feet and the Achilles. So spread out those toes, make sure you're comfortable where you're standing. And we're literally going to do some heel raises. We're doing both at the same time at the moment. So we're just going to come up, staying there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. I'm going to do that a few more times. So when you're ready, yet again, up we come. Put your abdominal muscles in if you need to for balance. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Should be starting to feel it there in those Achilles. We're coming up on the toes once more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. And once more, up we come for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Well done. Now here, just for a little bit of a rest, we're going to tuck those toes under, and we're just squashing the top part of the foot into the mat. So you're curling those toes under, staying there on the right foot to begin with for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap on over. So right foot to the mat, just popping those toes, and then as much pressure as you wish to on that left foot for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Now, it's going to get a little bit tougher now because we're going to be doing this on one foot. So if you do need a wall to push against, that's absolutely fine. So you're going to take your left foot off the floor. Yet again, as I said, hold on if you need to. And we're just coming up on those toes once more. It's a lot more pressure on the foot. And we're staying there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. A couple more to go. Coming up again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Last one on this side. Yet again, coming up on the toes for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. So we're swapping over sides now. So left foot is on the mat. We're just bending the right knee, taking the right foot off the floor. Yet again, we're coming up on those left toes for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower the heel down. Again, couple more to go. Coming up, nice deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Last one to go. Coming up on those toes again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Well done. We're just going to walk out those feet. Well done. So this is where the step comes into play here. So I've got my blocks here. So obviously if you've got a step at home, that will be a lot better for you. So we're going to start off with our feet on the block. Now here, we're trying to get those heels stretched down to the floor below. So I literally be letting gravity do the work. So try and come back on your step as much as you can. Obviously you can do this on your stairs at home, and just release those heels down. So you're just staying there. Nice deep breaths. And then when you're ready, just bring those feet back up onto the step. You don't want to overdo it. Yet again, when you're ready, take those feet back and drop those heels down. Let them sink down. You should notice each time we do this, you get a little bit more movement, flexibility in those Achilles. So just another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Up we come once more. Last one of these to go. Taking those feet back. Yet again, drop those heels down towards the floor. Staying there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up we come. Then once we just come back to the mat. We're just going to do some simple toe raises here. So we're just going to take the toes off the floor, really trying to get those toes up towards you. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release down. So that's it for the yoga for feet and for Achilles. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment down below and let me know how you got on with this. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Om Shanti, which is peace.